Hello, Stock Planner here. Looking for a trade this morning. I got about 18 grand in cash ready to spend. I don't know if I'm going to spend it. Looking at bar chart, unusual stock option volume. In other words, what are other people doing or panicking or getting rid of, or this happens to be in my price range. I don't like to buy too cheap of stocks because I never heard of it. This is not BellRing brand is not on my watch list. It's a new one. I've never traded before. Ticker symbol BRBR. There's your call volume, and there's your put volume. Looks like a lot of selling. Late last year, this stock has been moving up, consolidating, and the last few days it's dropped quickly. We have earnings coming up soon. Zero lag MACD. We had a buy there, a buy there, buy there, and a buy there. Every time you had a buy on that indicator, and around here too, the stock went up. The sell is still continuing. You could wait for another buy, or I'm interested in selling a put on this. Selling a put down around 43, 44, somewhere in that area. If you could find something at 43, 44, do you think this stock is coming down, or do you think it's going to hang in this area here? By the way, the Stock Planner channel is an education channel. This is not a trade recommendation. In fact, I've never traded before, so don't take any recommendations from me. But I just need a trade that's relatively low cost, and I'm going to see if I can sell a put against this stock. Seems like a lot of panicking. Of course, the technicals are showing a strong sell. MACD, the RSI is oversold, and usually when that happens, it comes back. You can see that here. Every time it oversold, it comes back up. The analysts that are covering this are saying, hey, this is still a buy. We're still saying it's a buy, and we think it's going to, over the next year, going to go up 26%. BellRing Brands is a nutritional products division based in the United States, and beverages as well. It's undervalued at the moment. It has a great future, by the way, and it's undervalued. The health of the company is not bad. Earnings grew by 20 or 30% over the past year. That's good. And analysts are in good agreement. This is going to go up by 26%. This is using Simply Wall Street. I use Simply Wall Street to do some news and do some fundamental analysis. And I use TradingView for my technical analysis. And of course, I use my broker, Interactive Broker. So I thought I could sell a put on this $51 stock. That's what I was looking for. And I want to keep my margin cost around $500. And going out 1 month to August, and I said I wanted to be around 44, so I made this as close as I can get to it is 45, which gives me $75 on a $500 estimate margin, and that's about 18%, 17%. The break even on this is 44.25, 44.25, and this is my win area. And of course, you can take profit anytime before that. So 44.25 to make 75. The problem with selling puts is that you have to be prepared to buy the stock. And that's your max loss, which means you bought the stock. And the max loss is the credit you received, the price of the stock minus the credit you received gives you the max loss. So this is a long trade. 44.25 was the number we're looking for. There it is. That was close enough. 44.25. Now you can go into and double click on this box and make it exactly. I was 3 cents off. I don't really care about that. And we're going to go out to August 16th. August 16th. And let's widen this little curve out here. So if it stays above 45, we get to keep the $75. $75 if it stays above 45. If it goes below, you still can win your 75, but then you have to buy the stock. So this is about trading now. You have to make a decision. Is this stock going to continue on going down below 45? Or is it going to stay in the area that it always been? Is this a level of support right here at 50 or 51? Will it reverse itself or will it continue on down? Lots of people recommend waiting for confirmation. You'll have to decide what you do. Anyway, that's the trade. Selling a put on BellRing Brands, BRBR ticker. Like what you do. Happy trading. We'll catch you on the flip.